So a few days ago, I received an email from DoorDash with the subject that reads, "Congrats on passing the alcohol certification exam." Now, in the body of that email, it reads the following. Congratulations on passing the deliverycertifications.com alcohol certification exam. You are now prioritized to receive alcohol deliveries in most U.S. states where DoorDash permits alcohol delivery. We hope you're as excited as we are. Remember, alcohol deliveries pay 30% more than non-alcohol deliveries, and using our new age verification feature, the app is able to verify that customers are 21 and over before you arrive on most deliveries. You read that right. Alcohol deliveries are easy and high-paying opportunities. Now, some of you out there may be wondering, what the hell am I talking about? 3 weeks ago, I got an email from DoorDash that was offering me the ability to take the alcohol certification exam, which allows a DoorDash driver to deliver alcohol to a customer. Now, a lot of you may not know that this exists. You know, you new guys out there, and even seasoned Dashers, I didn't know that this was something that DoorDash does, that they deliver alcohol. But I think it started like over a year ago, the ability to deliver alcohol to customers, not only from the restaurants where you're picking up the food, where the customer can order a bottle of wine or something like that, but also from package stores, gas stations where you can pick up cases of beer, or liquor stores. In order to do that, as a DoorDash driver, DoorDash requires that you take a certification exam. I'm going to add a link to the certification exam below. And what you have to do is you have to basically spend about 40 minutes going through some course material, which is really just DoorDash's requirements for delivering alcohol, as well as some local and federal laws regarding the delivery of alcohol. So in order to deliver alcohol, you have to take the certification exam. It's very easy. It only requires you to have a half a brain. And when you take the test, it's basically things that you probably would know anyway. Just realize, so now I'm in the state of Oklahoma. There are currently 20 states that allow for the delivery of alcohol by DoorDash or by any third party. And I think it includes the District of Columbia. But right now, Oklahoma does not have that ability. But I think in the House legislation, they are working on passing a bill allowing third-party delivery of alcohol in the state of Oklahoma. I don't think that has passed yet, but they're working on that now. But as soon as they do pass that, which I think they will, then I will be able to receive orders for alcohol deliveries. The 20 states that right now you can DoorDash alcohol for a customer are the following. In the United States, it's California, Connecticut, District of Columbia, Florida, Idaho, Illinois, Iowa, Kentucky, Massachusetts, Michigan, Minnesota, Missouri, Nebraska, New York, Ohio, Oregon, Tennessee, Texas, Virginia, and Washington. And in Canada, it's Alberta, British Columbia, Manitoba, New Brunswick, Ontario, and Quebec. And it also lists in Australia, New South Wales, and Victoria. So I'm assuming that little by little, because this just started over a year ago, little by little states will pass laws that allow third-party apps like DoorDash to deliver alcohol. Now, according to DoorDash, the deliveries pay up to 30% more than non-alcohol deliveries. I'm assuming that they're talking about the base rate. So if the base rate is, $2.50, 30% more would mean that you'd make $3 or something like that. So I don't really know because I haven't delivered any yet, and hopefully soon I will. Okay, what are the driver requirements for Dashers delivering alcohol? And it says the following. Dashers must be of legal drinking age to be assigned an alcohol order, usually at least 21 years of age. Some jurisdictions have additional requirements for Dashers, such as an alcohol safety course. Where those requirements are in place, DoorDash ensures only eligible Dashers who have completed those steps are assigned to alcohol delivery orders. And also besides that, again, there are several states that require you to take a state-level certification exam, not just the alcohol certification exam by DoorDash, but also a state-level certification for alcohol delivery. And I think that's only a few states, but most other states, you just need to pass that exam by DoorDash, and you'll be good to go, okay? There are some rules and regulations regarding delivering alcohol, like you cannot leave it at the door. You have to verify that the customer is the one that's on the order. You have to look at their driver's license. DoorDash incorporates into their app the way to scan the driver's license. So in Oklahoma, there's a barcode on the back, and you would scan that, take a look at the picture of the driver's license, take a look at the customer, and make sure that it's the right person, and then you can hand off the alcohol. So there's a list of reasons that DoorDash gives within the exam that you'll learn why you can't make a delivery of alcohol to a customer. That includes things like if the customer is already intoxicated, if it's not the same person that is on the order and on the driver's license, the same typical stuff that would occur if you went to the store to buy alcohol and then they ask you for ID. You're going to do that when you make the delivery. You can't leave it at the door. They have to come to the door. It's got to be the person on the order. Here's just another way to get some more orders besides food orders. Some of them could be very high paying items. We're talking about bottles of alcohol, bottles of wine that could be, $50 to $100 that someone might order along with their meal, which of course in turn would raise the tip, hopefully, for that order. Plus, alcohol orders, according to DoorDash, are going to pay a little bit more. They say up to 30% more than non-food orders. So this is something very cool that I think you guys should do. If you're above the age of 21, go ahead and get certified. I'm going to put that link down below where you can go ahead and study the course material and then take the exam. And then for me, it took about 3 weeks before DoorDash finally sent me the email that said I am now qualified to deliver alcohol. So take advantage of this situation. It's just another way for you guys to make money besides food orders. Okay? Well, hopefully you learned something new. Maybe you guys didn't know about this. I didn't know about it until a month ago. So hopefully you guys will go out and do that. All right? I will see you guys next time, and have a great dash.